Okay, June 19th, about 10 o'clock in the morning. I already missed him go through my house. This is where they really need to grind down, where the water ponds. You can see the old concrete curbs. And even below that's old brick. I seen it when they did this like 10 years ago. There's a good shot. Yeah, they got 2 more passes I can get for us. Boy, oh boy, they've been busy. I just hope they put a storm drain in here, but I don't think they're going to. The water just ponds here like crazy. All this area here just gets nothing but water, and it fills all the way up into my grass. I need to be getting those chunks of asphalt from the storms and throw it out there for them and sweep it up. I don't want it. What's it look like to you guys? Maybe 3 inches. They took 3 inches off. You're looking all the way down south towards, this is Miller Avenue. The company doing this is Crim and Sons. They're well known around the country here. Pretty good pavers, and obviously pretty fast. Like I said, it's awful early, and they've got this whole section of Miller Avenue from down there where it runs in, where that little bucket truck is. That skid. There used to be a little store called Dean's Market, and where that truck, farm truck is way down there driving away, that takes you to State Road 44 west. Now everybody knows where I live. Come on, see me. No, don't. Only if you bring lots of love and respect. I cannot believe they got this whole section done. I really wish they'd do something with the, but hey, let's see how far they did really cut down. I think it's only cut down about 2 inches. Hi, Mr. Sunnyflower. Good morning. It's your birthday. It's his birthday, look at that.